everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a weighted review on the new summer Zoella range. So I don't have the milk bath powder because I've used it all up. I do like the milk bath powder. I put a little picture of what it looks like right here. I do love the milk bath powder. It is so good. I didn't use all of it in the bath, but you can do. I actually halved it, so I halved the powder and put half in a powder and then basically have it. It's really nice and milky. If you use the whole thing, it'll be even more milky, but I really did love it. It made my skin really soft and supple. It just felt really nice, and since Christmas last year, I love having milk bath powders. It's just really relaxing, and it's really good to do on a spa day. Like if you're having a spa at home, it's really good to do then, because you can just have it at home and you'll be in the comfort of your own home. But the milk bath powder is so relaxing, just leaves your skin soft and supple, just really nice. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the Zoella body mist. I love this body mist. I've been spraying it all the time. I'm taking this on holiday with me. It's a really nice smell. I have their compliments on this, and I do tell them where it's from. They're like, okay. But it's like a nice fresh scent, like something that you get from the rainforest, like that nice fresh raindrop scent. Very smells fresh, but I do recommend this. You can use it. I just wish it came in a bigger bottle like her Christmas one. That came in a bigger bottle. I just wish this came in a bigger bottle because it just smells really good and I love it. The next thing is a Zoella Soft Lip Oil. I absolutely love this. It's really good. It feels really nice on your lips. I love the doe as well. Smells like cherries. Oh my god. It's really nice. I put it on my lips and it just feels really nice, soft, supple, juicy lips as well. If you're scared of putting a lip oil on you, I was scared to put lip oil on my lips. I was like, I'm scared of that. But don't be. It does work wonders for your lips. If your lips are like dry and cracked, put some of this on and it makes your lips so soft, plump and juicy as well. So try a lip oil out. Next thing is a moisturising body wash. Now I love this. This is halfway empty already and it is really good. I love this because it's such a moisturising body wash. I love it because you can shave your legs with this. Like, after I about shaving cream, just put some of this on you and you can shave your legs, your underarms. Just make sure you don't use that much in the bath because it does go everywhere, but it makes sure it just moisturises your skin. It makes you feel like it's really hydrated. It just feels so nice and soft. I just love it. Your skin is going to be moisturised. It's going to be hydrated. It's just a really good product. Plus, if you don't want to use a moisturising body wash, use this for your legs and your underarm when you shave. It works wonders. The last thing I do have is a body sorbet, and it's really nice. It smells really good. I love this because I'm a bit picky on body lotions. I'm a bit picky on that. I do love body lotions, I really do, but I'm just a little bit picky. But this one I actually do like. It's not like really thick, it's like really light, and that's what I do like about it. And I put a little bit on and it smooths all over your arms. You don't have to put a lot on your arms because otherwise you'll be slipping and sliding everywhere. But I put this all over my body and it feels really nice and soft, and it just gives me like a nice smelling, it just smells really nice, and the scent does stay on your arms as well. It does come off throughout the day because scents don't last forever. But if you love this scent, get the body mist and just spray the body mist on you so you'll never lose the scent. All in all, I do like her summer collection. It's very nice, it's very different. When you do have summer, some people like the sweet summery smells. This is really summery fresh, so it's really fresh, just like a rainforest. It smells really good. I do recommend these products. They are really nice to use and I absolutely love them. But I do recommend the summer collection. It smells really good. All her ranges that I've had since last year in summer, I've loved her products because she has great detail to her products. She loves her design. She loves everything about it. I absolutely love that, the way she comes up with designs. She does do a lot of smell tests as well. I couldn't imagine myself doing a lot of smell tests and then forgetting half the scents. I'm like, what the hell was that? And then suddenly comparing the scents. I think she does a great job doing that. I do think the packaging, she's thought about the packaging and it's so good as well. What I do wish was when she had a Christmas collection, I loved it all. Her advent calendar really sucked. I didn't like the advent calendar from her Zoella one, and I just wish she paid so much more attention and detail to her Christmas advent calendar from last year that she does with her normal products. I recommend all these products. just give them a go yourself. They're not for everyone, I know that. For me, they are. I'm a 30-year-old woman and I still love the products. There's some scents probably that actually will come in the future that I probably won't like. But for now, I do like all the scents. I think they're really good. So yeah, I do recommend these products. Please try them out yourself if you want them. But I really do like the summer collection. So hopefully you do like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. Please don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be alerted every time one of my videos are posted. Please share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!